Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to enable sync with Door-to-Door Navi. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the navigation button at the left side of the screen right here. Now you can use your navigation app, and here you can also find the settings. The settings icon is located right here at the top of the screen. If you tap the settings, you've got access to the navigation settings that you can change, that you can customize. Let's here choose the edit user info. If you tap edit user info, you can enable or disable sync with Door-to-Door Navi. The app must be installed on the connected phone. Find the app in Apple's App Store or the Google Play Store, of course, so I will also do it later. Basically, what does this feature do? Sync with Door-to-Door Navi. This feature connects your car's navigation with a dedicated mobile app on your phone. How it works: if you park your car a few blocks away from your actual destination, the car will send the remaining walking directions to your phone, so you can finish the journey using your smartphone. Status now on. It means that I just enabled this feature so I can use it on my app on my phone. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.